Everybody, should you tell your friends about the law of attraction, manifesting, and all the self-help stuff you're doing? This may be the most important video you see on the law of attraction and making your life better for this week, this month, this year. And there's a good reason for that. So follow with me. Make sure you stick to this video. There's a very important message in the middle of this video. Let's go. Hey folks, so I want you guys to know this message is very important for you, not because it's going to give you anything in terms of what you don't already know, but I'm going to tell you something. Actually, no, that's not true. It's going to tell you something you probably don't already know. You probably don't want to tell your friends and family about the law of attraction stuff and self-help right now. There is a point, we'll get to that at the end of this video. This is a very short video. I'm going to go pretty darn fast here. If I talk too fast for you, use the controls in YouTube to slow me down a little bit, okay? I appreciate that a lot of my audience comes from not first places where they speak English first, and that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Hey, thumbs up if you're from a place that you didn't learn English when you were a little kid and you learned it later. Double thumbs up. You're awesome. I want you guys to know something very important. Your friends and family may not understand where you're coming from with the law of attraction and with self-help and with manifesting and with wanting to do all this stuff. They have preconceived notions about it and they don't understand completely where you're coming from. Everybody has a different version of a different thing. That's why two people can watch a car accident and then one person can explain what happened in one way and the other person can explain it from the other way. Like, it's just different perspectives of what things are. And so if you tell your friends and family about this stuff, first of all, they might tell you that it's hocus pocus, it's mumbo jumbo, it doesn't really work, and you guys have to watch out, because if they tell you that, you're going to get a little bit of a rocking of your own faith, and then if you don't have faith in the law of attraction, it's pretty bad. You have to have faith in this stuff. So if you tell your friends and family about that stuff, they may not know what it is. They might tell you it doesn't work, and you don't want to have somebody who you've relied on in your life for good advice to tell you that the law of attraction doesn't work. Number two, your friends and family may be afraid of losing you. They might just be afraid of losing that person who they love so much because they know somebody else who hit it big and got a promotion and moved away and got rich and lives in a mansion somewhere by a beach, and they don't want to lose you. So they're going to tell you that this stuff doesn't work. Not because they're like, screw this person, I don't want them to succeed, because that's just the nature. They want to keep you guys around in their life, and they don't know that if you guys leave, you're always going to be around. So they're a little bit afraid of the unfamiliar. That's just human nature. Being afraid of the unfamiliar, that's human nature. That's why we reject ideas that are foreign to us. That's why I have the fear of unknown, the terror barrier, as Bob Proctor puts it. Now, I'm just going to take a break real fast here and say, if you like this video, you're watching this little break, subscribe to this channel right now. Subscribe. And if you subscribe, comment in the box below, say, I subscribed, and I will reply to you. As a matter of fact, if you make any comment in that box below, I will personally reply to you. And also click like and hit the little bell so you know when I do new videos. The last thing is crabs. Crab people, not crab people like South Park. Thumbs up if you like South Park, everybody. Crab people are people that will pull you down. I'm married to my wife. She's from the Philippines, and she and I go to the market, and they have live crabs. And if you try to pull a crab out with a pair of tongs, and what happens is the other crabs grab the crab and try to pull him back in. They're not trying to pull the crab back in to save its life because they don't understand that the crab's going to become a food dish. They're doing that because if a crab tries to climb out of a box, the other crabs pull him down. You may have friends and family that you don't understand are really just crab people. And I'm not insulting them, but they may be trying to keep you at their level. They might be doing it nefariously. They might just be doing it because they don't know any better. So watch out for crab people. Now, you have to be careful of all that. So people in your life that just are looking out for you, want to make sure that they're doing the right thing, are afraid of you wasting your time. They don't understand the law of attraction, or they're afraid of you moving away and losing you forever, or they're crabs. They're pulling you down. Beware of those people. And not to beware, but just don't tell them about the law of attraction right now. When can you tell them? Well, wait until they come to you. If you start improving your life and you start changing things big time, some people will come to you and ask you, what are you doing? How did you do all this? And that's when you can try to open up to them and tell them about what you've been practicing. When you have solid, concrete results, people will look at those results and go, wow, that's pretty amazing. Wow, that's cool. How'd you do all that? And that's when you can open up to them. That's when you can tell them about the book you read or the video you saw. Share my channel, share another channel. There's lots of channels on law of attraction and gratitude and self-betterment and self-help. Share some of that stuff with them when you have the concrete proof. And the proof is in the pudding, as they say, you know, that's what happens. I want you guys to know, though, if you tell anybody about this stuff and they reject it outright, don't get down on yourself. You're not doing anything wrong. They're not doing anything wrong. Everybody has a different view and point and opinion on things. Make sure that you guys share and like this video. Click on the links in the description below for some good stuff. You can get a free manifestation kit if you drop your email in one of them. You guys might like that. You guys might like my channel enough to subscribe, and I'd be grateful. Thanks for watching, sharing, liking. Talk to you guys later. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.